What's up, nail crew? Let's talk about peel base and how to apply it over builder gel. For some of us, it's much easier to use peel base than constantly be soaking our nails in acetone in between manis. And if you're anything like me, you like to change up your mani a lot. And peel base is a great option because you can pop your dip powders off or even your gel polishes without having to soak in acetone. When I was doing my nails every 2 weeks, it wasn't that big of a deal. It still made them pretty weak, but once I started doing my nails once a week, and then now I probably do them sometimes twice a week if I'm like really excited about new colors, which happens a lot, then the peel base saves me from having to soak. On my nails, I have builder gel and then a layer of gel base that's been cured and then gel top that's been cured. And as you saw previously, I wiped my nails off with isopropyl alcohol and then quickly pushed my cuticles back, since I had already prepped them the day before when I redid my builder gel. And now I'm going to apply the peel base to every single nail. For me, when I'm applying peel base, I need to do it in thin, even strokes. Whenever I go too thick, I get pop-offs really fast. For everyone, it's going to be totally different. When you first try peel base, the easiest thing to do is write down what you do on each nail and try different ways, different amounts of how much you put. So for me, I don't go all the way back to my cuticles, but I do go to the end of my nail tips, and that gives me usually 5 to 6 days without any random pop-offs unless I smack my hand hard into something by accident. And peel base will be your best friend if you love changing your nails a lot. I hope everybody found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for joining me today, nail crew.